Ever wondered how a chiropractor adjusts the thoracic spine? It starts with positioning the elbows together and lowering them toward your lap. Then, a deep breath in and out helps your body relax. Finally, you lean back gently as the adjustment takes place. This method works to relieve tension and improve mobility in the mid-back area. Whether you're a physical therapist or just curious, understanding this process can help you appreciate the precision behind spinal alignment. Remember to take deep breaths during any adjustment to stay relaxed and maximize its effectiveness. If you want to learn more about chiropractic care and spine health, keep exploring. Your back will thank you.